Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink and Maine. Today I have a clean and simple card using some of the layers and stamps for the August release from Pink and Maine. We're going to begin by using Seasons of Change, stamps and dies, and the gorgeous Stitch Stop note dies. Let's get started. We're going to begin with our card base that I have pre-scored. Now we're going to score on the actual face where our card's going to sit. I'm going to score the edges, the corners, diagonally, any way you like. You can do sunburst, and it's just a really fun way to add some dimension. Next, using the Stitch Top note dies, I am using 2 of them, and these are the not the largest, but the 2 middle ones. And then using the Seasons of Change bear, I'm going to die cut him first because I cannot cut it ever, stamp, before I die cut it. So we're going to go ahead and stamp the bear using Copic friendly ink, and he is perfect. Now with our Copics, we're going to begin by using some pink shades for his belly and his blush and his nose. Then using 3 shades of light brown, we're going to come in and shade on the outer part of the bear, with the lightest being the center. I'm going to speed up the video to show you how I colored my bear with Copics. Now that the bear is done, we are going to go ahead and shade on one of the pieces of cardstock Distress Oxides, and these were inspired by the bear's scarf. We are using pickled raspberry, fossilized amber, and broken china, and we are coming in at an angle with these colors, shading down with the darkest being on the top. We're going to just blend these. It's going to create a really pretty purple in between the pink and the blue, and just continue to blend. Now that it's nice and blended, with our brush, we're going to add a little bit of water and allow it to dry. Once that dry, we're going to heat emboss in white the sentiment, a note of gratitude. We are going to be using white embossing powder to coordinate with the white background that we had previously scored. Now it's time to put our card together. Using flat adhesive, we're going to place our background. Then with foam adhesive, we're going to place them on the back of the bear, place them off center, and then we're going to place the super cute frame on top of that, and we're going to be using foam adhesive as well to raise that and give it a bit of dimension. Last but not least, we are using some clear Nuvo drops along with some clear sequins just to give it a little bit of sparkle. And that does it for this card. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please hop on over to the Pink and Maine site if you do not have these gorgeous stamps yet. Please leave a sweet comment below if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you subscribe to the Pink and Maine YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.